Okay, so in this question here, it says two identical cement pillars are placed at the entrance of a building. They are made up of a rectangular prism and a right pyramid placed on it. The rectangular prism is 2 meters high and 0,6 meters long and 0,5 meters wide. The perpendicular height of the pyramid is 0,8 meters. Determine the volume of cement needed to make up the two pillars. So, if we have to look carefully, let's find the volume of one pillar and multiply it by 2. The volume of a pyramid, the formula is 1/3 times the area of its base. In this case, we can see that the base is rectangular, so it will be length times breadth and times the perpendicular height h. The volume of a rectangular prism is length times breadth times height. So putting all that together, the volume of this solid will be 1/3 times length times breadth times height plus length times breadth times height. Now this is for 1. At the end we will multiply it by 2 and thus we will get the volume of the two cement pillars. So let's see if we have all of the dimensions, length, breadth and height. Here, our length, look here, is 0,5 and our breadth is equal to 0,6. Look at that base. What's that? That is a rectangle. So now, 1/3 times 0,5 times 0,6 times. Now let's look at the height of this pyramid. The height is equal to 0,8 times 0,8 plus. Now we're looking at the rectangular prism, so it will be 0,5 times 0,6 times the height is 2 meters for our rectangular prism, and that will equal to. Let's put that in our calculator. One-third times 0.5 times 0.6 times 0.8 plus 0.5 times 0.6 times 2. Let's double check. So we got 1/3 times 0.5 times 0.6 times 0.8. Length times breadth times perpendicular height of the pyramid plus 0.5 times 0.6 length times breadth times height of our rectangular prism times 2 meters, and that now is equal to 17/25, which is 0,68. So that's 0,68 cubic meters for 1. Therefore, the volume of two pillars equals to 2 times 0,68 equals 2. So we just multiply that by 2. And our answer is 1.36 cubic meters. So we require 1.36 cubic meters of cement to make the both pillars.